Jacques Michiels for INKISH TV again here at Mark and the Low Migration event. And we have the pleasure talking to one of their big users, a good customer of theirs, and I'm talking to Anna. Hi Anna.
Hi.
Good day to you. How are you?
Thank you,
Yes?
thank you. Fine.
You're in an environment with machines that you know well.
We know well these machines, really.
Yes.
We have 4 machines at the moment, and we are using these machines for almost 7 years or 8 years. I don't remember exactly,
it's been
right?
a long time, yeah.
Yes, it's been a long time, but we are working with Mercandi, and we just want to stay with Mercandi
the
to have
brand.
the
Yeah. So Anna, tell us a little bit about yourself and your company, because if I heard well, you have your company somewhere central Poland. So what is your company and what do you do at the company?
Correct. I am a co-owner of the company Novacode, located in Bydgoszcz, central Poland, as you mentioned. And we are, I think, as we are all here, we are a manufacturer of self-adhesive labels. But what we specialize is not only standard labels, but high-quality labels of different colors. I mean, for the cosmetic companies which are producing color cosmetics, so different shades are not a problem for us. And the second field we are experts in, these are special labels. I mean, these are labels for automotive industry, for electronic industry, and all these kinds of durable things that are on the market.
So with the Mercandi machines that you have, I mean, do you, as you're in the higher end of the labels, you have also probably a lot of embellishment on labels. What type of machines do you run at the moment?
At the moment we run 4 P5 machines. Well, one is Evolution, right? So this one is 10 color machines, the rest are 8 color machines. So high quality machines with also silk screen printing and all these kinds of different equipment we want.
And you do it all in-house?
In-house.
Yeah, you do it in-house.
Yes, in-house. This year we finished our new building, new investment, and so we have really new.
Oh, you're looking at some things then. It's
yes.
also like, hybrid is on everybody's mind in your business.
Yes,
so it must be on yours as well. Tell us a little bit about it. What are your plans?
As a manufacturer of labels for cosmetics and for color cosmetics, we have really lots of small runs. And lots of shades of colors that we have to give our customers, right? So just to meet the requirements, right? We have to think about something new. We have to think about the machine that will have less waste, for example, right? This is also important about the environment,
exactly,
right?
Exactly. And it's probably your customers that are asking for it, right?
Yes, yes, customers are asking, but it's also for us, right? Because the loss in the material when we change the work is really we can feel it, right? We can feel it. So that's why we are looking for this machine.
Yeah. Do you already have like a digital solution at this moment?
We have at the moment.
But standalone,
yes,
or
standalone.
Yeah.
Standalone, but we see the possibility to use this machine, and we have the field for us.
Yeah, perfect.
To integrate, of course.
Yeah. Perfect. Then another question, maybe a last one here, because I know you're very busy as well. It's all about low migration, the topic of the day. So how does that come into your company? Is that something that's really top of mind in your company as well?
It is, because as I mentioned, cosmetics and also pharmacy, they really need it. And we see that customers are asking about it more and more. And we see that we just need to do something just to give them better offer, right?
Yeah, and to comply.
With the requirements.
So, and with Mercandi, do they also support you in that area as well, or how do you get how do you choose let's say the right inks and the technology to get that low migration on your devices?
Our suppliers were Candy also. They are really helpful, and well, when we need some help, when we need some advice, we just can call them. If they don't know the answer, they will find out, of course. So they are really, really helpful for us, right? And also other suppliers, they come to us and show there some new solutions they have, so we can use it. We can at least test it, right? Because they come to us also to test it on our machines, for example. So we really like it.
Yeah. So I think with Mark Handy offering, let's say, also those services, I'm guessing you're in good hands, and you have already 4 machines. Looking at another Mark Handy, so I'm guessing you're happy with your collaboration.
We are happy with our collaboration, of course. As I mentioned, they are really helpful, and you know, when you as a partner have a really nice people on the other side, it's also very important, right? Because we know each other, we know also each other not only on this business level, right? But I know
the people personally. Yeah.
Just personally.
So there is trust, and
it's really
you have a long
important.
history as well.
Of course,
yeah.
It's really important, right? Because if you can see and if you can feel that on the other side you have people who are willing to help you, it's really, really very important.
I think it's correct to say that
it's a success,
very
right.
important for
Yes.
a business strategy. Well, perfect, Anna. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.